Are you or a loved one facing the daily challenges of diabetes, the low energy, the tiredness, the balancing act between food and medication? Are you frustrated at the complications and limitations that diabetes brings to your life? Hi, I'm Bertus, a physician assistant on a mission to help you turn your life around. At Diabetes 180, we offer 2 life-changing solutions to empower you on your journey to better health. The first is an annual subscription to one of 2 diabetes reversal courses designed to provide you with the knowledge, tools, and support you need to make a significant impact on your illness. You will learn how to harness the power of a plant-based diet and other healthy lifestyle choices to reverse your diabetes and reduce or possibly eliminate medications altogether. Our second solution comes in the form of private or group coaching. Together, we'll work on reducing insulin dependence and helping you regain control of your health. Besides the weekly coaching sessions with me, you will have access to customized meal plans, instructional videos, over 280 diabetes reversing recipes, and other helpful resources. On top of that, you'll receive unlimited email support throughout the 90-day program. Why not book a free consultation now and see if my services are right for you? We've seen countless success stories, including that of my wife, who reclaimed her life from diabetes. Now it's your turn to experience the freedom and abundant health that comes from reversing this debilitating disease. Have you been tolerating your health issues for too long? Want to deal with your diabetes for good? Click below to book a free consultation now.